Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and for today's video, I'm gonna be talking about these modified blasters I have done within the past couple of months, and the reason why I'm selling them. Obviously, I guess the reason why I'm selling, I have 4 blasters here. You probably can't see them. I have one big shock with a CPVC attachment. I believe this can get removed. Like so. And then you can press fit it back in. Like that. Now the reason behind this is if you wanted to shoot mega darts, you could. And slip one mega dart in, pull it, shoots. You put the CPVC attachment in, press fitted, and now you can shoot regular Nerf darts of standard or shorter size. I usually do 4 turns. Shoots. The only thing I've done here for the Big Shock is I've added the CPVC attachment, which is essentially like, I don't know, 2 to 2.5 inches of half-inch CPVC connected to a half-inch coupler, or coupling, I think is what it's called. And the air restrictor's been removed. There are no double springs. There's nothing really added on after that. And I gotta say, the paint job came out a lot nicer than I thought it did. So, this is supposed to be camo paint, but it didn't look like the camo I was expecting, you know, with all the different patterns and crap like that. And then there's, then I took these pieces off. This piece, and painted it some sort of like regular blue color, and left everything else orange. Because I always believe that if you always want to do a Nerf war and it's public, I always have the feeling that just so you don't have problems with police, you have to keep everything orange to make it say, oh, okay, it's just a Nerf gun, or closely related to an airsoft gun. But it's not an airsoft; it's a Nerf gun, or Nerf blaster. So, this and the other 3 are going to be on my eBay, and the link will be in the description below. They're going to be available for a certain price, fixed price. I'm not doing that auction crap. And they will come with ammo. For example, the Big Shock will come with 3 mega darts, and I believe 3 of these zombie strike darts. If I can find elites, I'll try my best. But anyway, moving on, we have, next up is this one. This has a 3D printed attachment, which fits nice and snug onto this front of the barrel. This is also painted in camo. It doesn't look like camo, honestly, but has a Pintiniki rail on the bottom, where you can add Pintiniki like so attachments onto the bottom, like a laser, or impractical things like a grip. The Nerf tactical rail still works. Still very springy. I believe, yeah, this doesn't have a spacer in, but the ARs have been removed. And it's painted a camo with a bit of a purple-ish tint paint job. Moving on, we have the Hypershot. This has been modified. This has an AR removal and still maintained the blowback features. It still looks cool. Like I said in the Hypershot review that I made just recently, the blowback feature is just so cool. Makes a good prop. And on top of that, there's an AR removal. I also took out this little. There used to be a blue piece, and I think I could find it somewhere around here, but this blue piece was supposed to hold 2 extra darts, but it didn't make any sense to me, so I took it out. For the most part, I can still spin the gun pretty well. And like I said, I don't know if I said this before or not, but like I said, all these Nerf blasters will come with ammo. This one will come with the 8 original darts that came with a package, since I have 2 of them. So it won't be a horrific loss. Last but not least, we have this. This is a... It looks weird, it looks awful, because it's not really painted well. The whole goal was to test out a glow-in-the-dark spray paint for this. This attachment, I believe, works with Nerf accessories. 3D printed, and is glow-in-the-dark. I can't really test it on camera, because as soon as I bring this camera into the dark, this will glow, but that will not show the glowing. So instead, I'll have 2 images in this video right now, probably like somewhere here to here or something like that, to show that like it actually does glow. It's very faint. It's very small amount, like different patches of glow around the barrel, but it does glow in the dark. It just needs a charge every now and then. And the way they do it, just hold it up to the light like any old house light or even a LED lamp, for example. Just hold that up to it for like 10-20 seconds or until your arm feels tired, and then drop it down, put it into the dark, and see for yourself. Again, this will also come with ammo. The ARs have not. The AR restrictors have not been removed, but there is a 3D printed spacer. I don't know if I can get into a good angle, but there's a spacer somewhere around here that's also 3D printed. It's supposed to make it more powerful to prime and easier to shoot. I can also feel like a little vibration from the hammer when it hits back. It actually feels a little like a little numbing almost. This will also come with 4 zombie strike darts, I believe. And I think honestly the last thing I've done so far was oh, and by the way, this is off topic. Don't know why I'm saying this now, but I have modified a fire strike successfully. Took out the AR, cleaned it up a little bit. Took out the little what is it? It's like a rounded piece. Has those 3 stems holding it in place. I took that out too. Put it back together. Also realized that the battery door just never wants to stick. It never, ever wants to go back into its rightful place. I gave up on that, so I'm probably gonna patch it up with something else, honestly, or leave it alone. Anyway, long story short, I don't know if I'll be selling this, but if you guys are interested in buying this, I'll include ammo as well. And I think that's all the Nerf blasters I have that I want to give away or sell. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here, signing off just for this video. Like I said, these 4 blasters will be on not Etsy, eBay. These will be on eBay for a fixed price. No auctions, because I don't believe in that. Seriously, I don't believe in auctions. And each blaster will come with ammo, the blaster, and the 3D printed attachment if applied. So, for example, like these 2, the glow-in-the-dark and the purple and camo tint will come with a 3D printed attachment. The Big Shock and this will not, because I never added one. So, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.